Okay, so we have started the session a little while ago. I couldn't start the recordings. So I'm going to brief what we have done so far today in the session, right? So we started with the EBCDIC note, and we have written the highlighted part on the book, right? All these highlighted part after the heading. So with the heading, we mentioned it is a 8-bit representation, right? And then we came to the Unicode system, which we wrote as a 16-bit representation. And under that, we have written these two lines. And after that, we went to write the examples. Right. So regarding the examples, what we have done was we wrote the example and we wrote this particular line. And regarding that, this note, right, the one which is in blue color over here is written under the example, which is graphic picture and graphic data. So those are the things that we have done so far. So we are going to move forward from that point onwards, right? Okay, people, give me a second. Right, people, very sorry. Those kind of things are happening when I'm at home. So please be with that. Okay, so let's move forward. And regarding the next one, we are going to write about the sound. And under that, you have to write this particular thing, right? As well as you have to draw this diagram. And what is shown in this diagram is, now when it comes to the sound, it is an analog data that we have. Analog means like wave kind of data. This dotted line represents the wave. So each and every point of the wave will be converted into a relevant digital data. So that is what they have represent over here. So they have taken this point. This point has 3 and 1 as its coordinates. So 3 is converted into some particular binary code and 1 is converted into some particular binary code, right? So likewise, each and every point in this wave will be converted into a binary pattern. So this analog signal will be able to stored as a digital signal that you can see over here. Right? Okay, so let's write this down. So the second example, sound, and write down these particular stuff, and then you have to draw the diagram as well. Yeah, Samadhi, I think you have asked a question earlier. I think you were referring to the code that they were representing the colors, which is represented in 8 bits. Like to complete it 16 bits, it needs 8 more zeros at its left, right? So since it is a huge code, they have taken only the portion which contains the actual number. Other things are like the leading zeros, which they have ignored for that moment. Right? Okay. Let me know when you are done, people. Yes, are we done?
Yes, sir.
Right. Anyone who is still writing? All right, so let's move forward. So yeah, now this particular point important because this says who is managing the Unicode system. It is the institution called International Standard Institution and Unicode Consortium. So you better write it as the very last point of your note, right? So that will mark the end of this lesson, right? So write this down, then we'll go for some questions. People, are we done?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
All right, hurry up. Finish it up. Okay, anyone who is still writing? All right. So if you are done, so we are officially done with the number system lesson. So we are there to start the fourth lesson, and before that, we have some activities to do. So we can, we have 15 more minutes for today's session. So we'll do some activities regarding the BCD and the other conversions. So first go to this particular page, the page number 97. So in page number 97, you got this activity. So complete that activity and send me the answers through the chat. Let's see how the things are going to happen. Right, so you can refer the example that we were talking about last week, not actually the last session, and with that you can write these things. Right, it's not that hard. It's some simple things for you to do. Right, so once you are done, I'll show you how the things are going to happen. Okay, so I'll give you 5 minutes for this. It's 10:25. So by 10:30, I'm going to start doing the things so you can see what are the answers, like the answers that you got is correct or not. So like before that, if you done the things, you can send me the answers as well. Yes. The Hamsa. Yes, first answer is correct. Second answer, let me see. Yes, yes. Yes, that's correct. Third answer, it's kind of a huge one. Yep. Okay. All right. And yes, and yes, yes, yes. All are correct. The answer, all are correct. Very good. Gyanija. Yeah, first one is correct. And Gishani. Let me see. Yes, first one is correct. Second one is also correct. Third one. Yeah. Yes, that's correct. Very good. Very good. Dihansa. Yes, first one is correct. Second one is correct. Third one is correct. Very good. Himsari. Yeah, first one is correct. Yes, second one is correct. And yeah, third one is also correct. Very good. Imadu. Yeah, first one is correct. Second is correct. Third one. Yeah, that's correct as well. Very good. Very good. Gayanicha, second one. Yeah, that's correct. Third one. Yes. Hold on. Third one. Yeah, third one is correct. Yes, Gayanicha, third one is correct. Imadu, yeah, there's a problem with your third one. Please go through and see. Right. Okay, great. I'm receiving a lot of answers. Sadet, first one is correct. Second one is correct. Yep, third one is correct. Very good. Samadhi, yes, first one is correct. Second one is correct. Third one is also correct. Yes, yes, very good. Dilki, first one is correct. Second one, yes, second one is correct. Third one is also correct. Hold on, there is a small problem in the third one, I guess. Yeah, Dilki, look at your third one. Just third one, it has small mistake. Just go through and see. Seniru, first one, yeah, so you have taken out the leading zeros, right? Yeah, no worries. First one is correct. Senuja, I'll get into that. Second one, let me see the second one. Oh yes, Seniru, there's a problem with the second one. Just go through and see. Third one. Yeah, third one is okay. This is a problem with the second one. Suhansa or Suhansa. Yeah, first one is correct. Second one, let me see. Okay. Yeah, second one is correct. Third one, yes. Yes, that's correct. That's correct. Imadu, yes. Now your third one is correct. Dilki, yes. Yes, that's the third one. That's the third one. Yes, that's the third one. Seniru, second one. Yeah, let me check. Okay. Oh, hold on. No, Seniru, the representation of one in 2136, it should be in 3 zeros and 1 1. No? So you have jeopardized that thing. Right? Okay, so let me do this for all of you. So it's not that hard. Right, so 302, how we are going to write 302? 3 can be written as 0011. 0 can be written as 4 zeros since it is BCD. 2 can be written as 0010. So that's going to be the representation of 302. And this one. So for 2, we can say 0010. 1, we can have 3 zeros and 1. And 3, 0011. And 6, 0110. Right, that's going to be the second one. And the third answer, 1 can be written as 3 zeros and 1. 7 can be written as 0111. 2 can be written as 0010. 9, it's going to be 1001. And 5, it's going to be 0101. So it's better you write BCD at the end of all the things, right? Because this is a BCD representation, not binary, not any other one, but it is a BCD. Okay. Yeah, Situpa, it seems to be what you have said is correct. And I have received some WhatsApp answers, which is from Senuja. Yes, Senuja. Yeah, that is correct, Senuja. First one is correct. Second one is correct. Third one is also correct. Very good. Right. So let's move to the next one. Yeah. So yes, they are asking to write you the ASCII code for ICT. So all 3 letters are in capitals, right? So you can find the references from this particular chart, right? So yeah, here it comes. So the C is considered as 67 in decimal. Right, and I represent as 73 in decimal. And how about the T? RST, yeah, T represent as 84 in decimal. So all you have to do is convert these 3 letters, these 3 letters into the ASCII code, which represents in 7 bits, and you have to write the correct sequence, which represent ICT. That means I first, C second, and T first. So try it out, people. It's the second activity. It's the activity under the Unicode, right? If I refer to the activity. This is the activity. It is in page number 98. The top one. Write down the ASCII code of ICT in binary numbers. Okay, people, give it a try. Here's the ASCII table for your convenience. I have highlighted the things. Yes, people, I'm going to discuss this within another 2 minutes by 10:44. So before that, you can send me your answers. Yes, I'm receiving, yes, big codes. Let me see. Samadhi, yes. Yes, yes, that's correct. That's correct. Very good. Imadu, oh, yes. Right, that's the correct answer. Very good. Kayanija, yes. Yes, that's correct. Very good. And Disana, sorry, Disasna, I'm sorry. Yeah, yes, that's the correct answer. Very good. The Hamsa. Yeah, that's correct. Very good. So how we are going to write this? It's easy, right? So when it comes to the ASCII codes, the 67, we should write the 67, which represents C. So we can write it like 1, 0, 0, and another 2 zeros, and 1, 1. All right, what's happened to my pen now? Yeah, that's not going to happen. I will type it, people. Yes, so it's going to be the 67. Yes, Situpa, I think it's a little bit, yeah, I think you have taken it as a Unicode, Situpa. I'm asking it to write as an ASCII code. ASCII is just having 7 bits, right? So we can write 67 in this manner, like how 100 0011, right? And when it comes to the 73, we can write it as 100 100 and 1. So like we are just converting 73 into a binary number, 67 into a binary number, likewise. And the T, which is over here, can be written as 101 0100. Right? So now we know the representation of C, which is this, the representation of I, and the representation of T. So if you want to have the word ICT represented in ASCII, so you have to write it accordingly. So we write I first, 1001001, and then the C. That means I'll take a different color, right? Oh no, it changes the everything. Never mind. So like C, it is 1 4 zeros and 1 1, and finally the T, which is 1010 100, right? Which gives you this as the final answer of the ASCII code of ICT, right? So almost all of you have sent me the correct answers. So
Sir.
yes, Buddha.
So yeah, අකුරට අපිට කැමති මේක කෝඩ් එකක් ගන්න පුළුවන්ද?
බෑ. ඒ කියන්නේ මෙහෙමයි. දැන් මෙතන අපි ප්‍රශ්නේ කරලා තියෙන්නේ පොතේ අපේ පොතේ දීලා තියෙන ලිස්ට් එක බලාගෙන. මොකද පොතේ ප්‍රශ්නේ අහලා තියෙන්නේ එහෙමයි. විභාගෙදී ඕගොල්ලන්ට ඔය 67 දැන් C වලට 67 නැතුව C වලට වෙන අගයක් දෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඔයාට ප්‍රශ්නේ අහන්න පුළුවන් විභාගෙදී C වල ASCII කෝඩ් එක ඩෙසිමල් එකක් විදියට ගත්තාම ඒකෙන් රෙප්‍රසන්ට් වෙන්නේ 50. तर C වලින් C වලින් ඉන්ඩිකේට් වෙන්නේ 50 නම් ICT කියන එකට දාලා ASCII කෝඩ් එක මොකක්ද කියලා. එතකොට අපි C වලට අනුව I අකුරේ T අකුරේ එක පිළිවෙලට බලාගෙන ඒකට අදාළ බයිනරි කෝඩ් ASCII කෝඩ් එක ලියලා ඒ ටික ලියලා පෙන්නන්න ඕනේ ICT වල රෙප්‍රසන්ටේෂන් එක මේකයි කියන එක. තේරුණා?
Yes sir.
Right. Okay, so people, I'm going to end the session from this point. So by next week, we are going to start the new lesson, the fourth one. So let's hope and pray that we will be able to meet physically, right? But in case if we don't have a choice, we are going to go to the online session like this, right? So I'll see you on next week somehow in online or physical. So till then, thank you very much, everyone. Have a nice day. I'm going to end the session from this point. Thank you, everyone. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.